When crafting a durable and visually striking industrial coffee table with a custom metal base, the combination of deliberate material selection, innovative design, and thoughtful execution yields a unique centerpiece that embodies strength and style. This process allows DIY enthusiasts to showcase their ingenuity, combining functional elements with artistic expression to achieve a timeless industrial aesthetic. The essence of an industrial coffee table lies in the robust and unrefined appeal of its materials. Steel, with its strength and versatility, forms the backbone of the base. Square steel tubing, angle iron, and pipe steel are excellent choices, offering structural integrity and design flexibility. For novices, mild steel is the ideal starting point as it is easier to weld and manipulate. Cost-conscious builders can benefit from reclaimed or surplus steel. Visit scrap yards, demolition sites, or online marketplaces for metal components salvaged from previous projects. For instance, discarded steel pipes, decommissioned machinery parts, or leftover angle iron can be repurposed into custom table bases. Such materials often carry a unique history, adding character and authenticity to the finished piece. The tabletop introduces an opportunity to balance the starkness of metal with the warmth of wood. Reclaimed wood, butcher block slabs, or engineered wood provide a tactile contrast to the sleek lines of the base. Each plank, with its unique imperfections and grain patterns, contribute to the industrial charm. Salvaged wood from furniture, palette, or architectural features such as doors or beams offers both sustainability and cost savings. The foundation of the design lies in a functional yet visually compelling metal base. Popular configurations include trapezoidal frames, rectangular structures, or crisscrossing X-shaped supports. Each design offers varying length or complexity, ensuring options for beginners and seasoned metalworkers alike. Accurate planning is crucial to the success of the build. Tools like SketchUp, AutoCAD, or simple graph paper allow for the precise measurement and visualization. Consider the proportional harmony between the tabletop and base. Common dimensions for a coffee table are 36 to 48 inches in length, 18 to 24 inches in width, and 16 to 18 inches in height. Custom adjustment ensures the piece fits seamlessly into the intended space. Incorporating diagonal braces or crossbars enhances the table stability and aesthetic. These elements not only provide structural support but also contribute to the industrial design's geometric appeal. Adjustable feet or water pads can be added to accommodate uneven flooring, ensuring the table remains level and steady. Equipping the workspace with essential tools ensures efficiency and precision throughout the project. An MIG or TIG welder is indispensable for assembling the metal base. MIG welding in particular is beginner-friendly and well suited for mild steel. For those without access to welding equipment, brackets and bolts offer a reliable alternative for joining metal pieces. Cutting metal to size requires tools like angle grinders with cutting disc or chop saws for cleaner, more precise cuts. Measure and mark each piece meticulously to minimize wastes. Preparing the metal involves deburring edges with a wire brush or sandpaper, removing rust and dirt, and ensuring smooth surfaces for welding or bolting. Clamps are vital for maintaining alignment during assembly. Use them to secure metal pieces firmly in place while tack welding or drilling. A steady welding table or heat-resistant flat surface is equally important for achieving accuracy. Begin by laying out the metal pieces according to the design. Tack welds provide an initial hold, allowing for adjustment before completing the full welds. Tack each joint, then verify the alignment and squareness of the frame. Once satisfied, perform continuous welds along the seams to ensure structural integrity. If welding isn't feasible, pre-drill holes in the metal and secure the pieces with high tensile bolts and brackets. This bolted construction method not only simplifies the process but also enables easy disassembly for future modifications or transports. Adding diagonal support or central crossbar further reinforces the frame. Smooth any rough edges or excess weld materials to prevent injuries or snags during use. These finishing touches refine the base and contribute to its polished appearance. The metal base serves as both a structural and aesthetic focal point. Finishing it properly elevates the table's overall look. Powder coating is a durable option, offering protection against scratches and rust while achieving a sleek professional finish. For a cost-effective alternative, apply multiple layers of matte black spray paint to ensure adhesion. Clean the metal thoroughly with a degreaser or rubbing alcohol before painting. Experimenting with finishes adds dimension to the design. Patinated effect or brush steel accent can highlight the industrial character. A clear coat can preserve the raw metallic sheen of untreated steel for a more rugged aesthetic. Aligning and securing the tabletop to the metal base requires precision. Pre-drill holes in the frame to accommodate screws or bolts. Use a measuring tape to ensure even spacing between the tabletop and the base. For wood prone to expansion and contraction, slotted holes or mounted clips provide flexibility, preventing cracks or warping. Experiment with the overhang of the tabletop to achieve the desired look. A slight overhang creates a balanced appearance, while a flash edge emphasizes the geometric simplicity of the industrial style. Infusing personal touches transforms the coffee table into one-of-a-kind statement piece. Consider integrating functional elements like a lower shelf for additional storage or inlay metal strips for added visual interest. A lift-up mechanism enhances versatility, converting the table into a workspace or dining surface. Unconventional materials such as concrete, glass or wire mesh introduce unique textures. A concrete tabletop adds a contemporary edge, while tempered glass highlights the intricate metal frame. Mesh panels can serve as secondary shelves or decorative inlays, blending practicality with industrial aesthetics. The placement of the coffee table influences its impact. Surround it with complementary furniture, such as leather sofas, metal frame shelving, or vintage racks to create a cohesive design scheme. Decorative items amplify the table's appeal without overshadowing its craftsmanship. A minimalist centerpiece, such as a ceramic vase or a stack of design books, draws attention to the tabletop's texture and finish. Use grouping of items in varying heights and materials for visual balance. Maintaining the coffee table ensures it remains a centerpiece for years to come. Regularly, inspect the metal frame for rust or loose connections, addressing issues promptly with touch-up paint or additional welding. Clean the wood surface with a damp cloth and reapply sealant periodically to protect against wear and moisture. Using coasters, placement of felt parts minimizes scratches and stains on the tabletop. For heavily used tables, consider adding a protective glass overlay to preserve the wood surface while retaining its aesthetic. The industrial coffee table is a starting point for broader design possibilities. Coordinating furniture pieces such as end tables, benches, or shelving units carry the industrial theme throughout the home. Modular designs allow for flexibility, enabling components to be rearranged or expanded to suit evolving needs. Collaborating with local artisans or participating in DIY workshops fosters a sense of community while providing access to specialized tools and materials. Sharing knowledge and resources inspires innovative approaches to industrial design, enhancing both craftsmanship and creativity through a careful blend of practicality, artistry, and sustainability. A custom industrial coffee table becomes a testament to ingenuity and craftsmanship. Each element, from the welded metal base to the hand-finished wood top, tell a story of resourcefulness and attention to detail. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.